Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn on bold text on your device. So let's get started. Let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your settings. Now scroll down below until you will find the option of accessibility and tap on it, which is available on the bottom of your screen. Now tap on display size and text. From here you can see the option of bold text, and on the right side of the screen you can see the option of enable and disable icons. So tap on enable icon. Now see, you can see the every handwriting, every text is changed into bold writing, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.